Welcome to our video on how to export high-quality videos using DaVinci Resolve 19 for free. Exporting high-quality videos is crucial for professional results, whether for YouTube or personal projects. Let's start by setting up your project to prepare for export. Ensure your timelines are final. Now, navigate to the delivery page where the magic happens. This is where we'll configure your export settings. Choosing the right export settings is key for quality. Consider your target platform when making adjustments. Each codec serves a different purpose. ProRes offers high quality, while H.264 balances quality and file size. Be sure to adjust your resolution and frame rate settings to match your project needs. Don't overlook audio. Adjust your audio export settings to ensure quality sound. Before you finalize your video, take a moment to preview it. Catch any last-minute adjustments. Alright, once you're satisfied, hit the export button and send it directly to your desired storage.